Okay, so coming back to the previous session where we were looking at using the same shape as we used for our dominant 7 lock knuckle chords from the 6th string, using the same shape to make minor 7 chords on the 5th string. We can also have a look at a slightly different voicing of this minor 7 chord. Okay. In this voicing we have the 3rd here where our pinky is. What we can do is we can thicken this chord by bringing in this note, the 9th, which adds a little bit of colour. But it means we're losing our 3rd from here to bring in the 9th. 9th is the same as a 2nd. So we don't have a 3rd in this chord right now, so what we need to do is bring it in here. On this D minor chord, if you look at the lock knuckle chord like this, root, minor 7, minor 3rd, we can see our minor 3rd is an F. So if we bring the F in here, on the 4th string 3rd fret, we can make this minor 9 voicing chord, which is a pretty nice chord and also a lock knuckle chord, so we can still do well. You notice there I did a slight variation. We've been playing this G7 chord with just 3 fingers in a lock knuckle position, and what you noticed there was I played a lock knuckle chord and then played this chord. This chord is actually, you can see, its basis is that lock knuckle chord G7, but I've changed the fingering, got the same notes, and then added this note, which is an E. The E is actually this, if we count up the degrees of the scale or mode, G, A, B, C, D, E, we can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th degree, which when we add that to a 7th chord, rather than being a 6th, it becomes a 13. Okay, once we get to 7th chords, everything goes up from there, 9, 11, 13. So we actually have G13, which is a lovely voicing. And what that means is, this 9th that's on our minus, in this case the E, that's the 9th of this D minor 9 chord, stays down as part of G13. What that means is we have this lovely decorative note, this extension, which doesn't alter the triad, staying constant at the top. And it's a very common pattern in Latin sort of accompaniments.